welcome to Jay's Hilltop Garage. So today, I'm going to be doing a video on my service trailer. So, let's get started. Alrighty everyone, so let's get back to the service trailer. Oh, here she is. I just recently built this. Now, the frame, this part here, was already here. When we got the house, the guy we bought off of left it here, so I took the entire thing apart. I put a brand new axle support. Pretty much all I had was the metal frame, the mud flaps, the axle supports, the axle, tires, wheels, toolbox, headache rack, tongue, and the hitch. I did all that. So let's do a little walk around. So I have treated decking boards for the floor on it. Those are two pieces of metal. The back is wider than the front. I'm not sure the thickness, but they do what I want them to do. I mainly just want them to keep the mud off the trailer, whatever I'm hauling. So they do what they're supposed to do. Now I got this collecting junk. I made this, so this when I jack something up, I can hold it up. Now, this is the toolbox. It is bolted down to the trailer. I keep the stuff I need in here when I need to work on something, my hammers, my tools, jack, plus the big jack I got over here, and tie downs, lubricating stuff. So I keep everything in there. I have holes up at the headache rack to keep a license plate or pretty much whatever I want. Now I have these here just for kind of for looks, but if I ever needed them, I'll have them there to use. I got a bungee cord here, so this way if I ever had to tie something down like I did just recently, then I can do that. I have this part here to put a spare tire, which I need to get one just in case I run over something and get a flat. Now, you can't tell on this side, but over here on this side, you can see that the rim is gray. I need to paint it the tan that I painted the frame of the trailer. So, yeah. That's all for this video on the service trailer. I'll be uploading a video on my other trailer, which is directly over there, which is my car hauler. Well, not exactly car hauler, but I'll get into that in the next video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.